Hi learners, welcome to our another new lesson. Hope you all are very fine and doing very well. So today we are going to learn the name of 10 vegetables which grow above the ground. Along their names, we will also learn how to write it properly and beautifully with correct spellings and correct pronunciations. So, here we go. Please do practice and learn it very easily. Number 1. Ladyfinger. L A D Y Lady. F I N G E R Finger. Ladyfinger. Number 2. Bitter gourd. B I T T E R Bitter. G O U R D Gourd. Bitter gourd. Number 3. Bottle gourd. B O T T L E Bottle. G O U R D Gourd. Bottle gourd. Number 4. Cauliflower. C A U L I F L O W E R Cauliflower. Number 5. Pumpkin. P U M P K I N Pumpkin. Number 6. Bean. B E A N Bean. Number 7. Broccoli. B R O C C O L I Broccoli. Number 8. Parble. P A R B L E Parble. Number 9. Snake gourd. S N A K E Snake. G O U R D Gourd. Snake gourd. Number 10. Ridge gourd. R I D G E Ridge. G O U R D Gourd. Ridge gourd. Thanks for watching. Please do visit my channel, like my videos, share it with others. Stay tuned for more learning. Bye bye.